What's good, y'all? It's King Tease. Welcome back to Throughout the Association. In this 2018, Kyrie, we don't care about this trade no more. Why you ain't say nothing in September? Or how about when you went to First Take and was given psychology quiz answers to the most simple questions? But Kyrie finally opened up about his trade from Cleveland in a piece with ESPN, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this has sensitivity written all over it. Kyrie, along with Isaiah Thomas, man, stop crying. Anybody can be traded unless your name is LeBron, Durant, or Steph Curry, okay? Kyrie said leaving was inevitable. He could feel it. He didn't feel the need to say anything because he knew the truth, and so did they. They didn't want me there. Man, this sounds like a Taylor Swift album, okay? What I got most from this was Kyrie was upset they were exploring trade options for him, and he felt like LeBron was behind all of it. Look, let me tell you something. If I'm the GM and I was offered Eric Bledsoe and Paul George for Kyrie and maybe a draft pick, he would have been gone if I was the GM. Now, it was also obvious that he didn't respect Tyronn Lue like at all, but I mean, didn't we already know that? Just watch the games. Tyronn Lue is trash. What Kyrie also alluded to but didn't say was there was a lack of respect for him from LeBron. He didn't feel equal to him. Maybe because you're not. Now, Kyrie, he's playing great this year. He's showing us some stuff we didn't know he could do last year, specifically the ability to lead a team. But you ain't no LeBron. This sound like a bunch of whining, crybaby whining and complaining to me. I can't lie to y'all. If you being in trade talks is the reason you had to go, that was the icing on the cake, you might as well retire. That's going to happen with every team. Now, I'm sure there's some stuff he's not saying, but a lot of these players don't seem to understand this is a business. Ain't no feelings in business. You do what you got to do. Know what you guys think about this? And definitely subscribe.